Now, if anybody has any questions about Blue, please feel free to ask. I'd love to answer any questions you have about Blue. Oh, now she is challenging this.
Let's talk about the elephant in the room, or rather, the dinosaur in the room. How much does a dinosaur weigh? We're all thinking it. I know I am. Fossilized dung is called coprolites. Until now, researchers could only estimate based on fossilized coprolites how much an animal will produce in that one.
Please stay seated at all times. Make sure your personal belongings are safely stowed.
Watch your step. When gates open, we can come on in.
Your boat, you are clear from visitor center. Have a nice ride. A vast ocean was home to an explosion of life. At the top of the food chain sat the Mosasaurus, apex predator of the deep. You are clear for entry. Splash around in the water. You may even see our new baby Stegosaurus, one of the latest additions to our Jurassic World family. Jurassic World's most powerful creatures. We have a containment alert. Multiple containment failures. Multiple systems failures.
Safe zone.
Please
containment and help is on the way. In the meantime, please.
The security team is deployed. They will get you safe.
All employees, the Indominus Rex has escaped. Please remain in the boat and stay calm. Listen to me. Do not panic. If you can see me, I need you to keep your hands inside the boat. The slightest movement will set these animals off.
As your boat enters the station, please raise your arms and your lap bar will raise automatically. Exit to your right and enjoy the rest of your day here at Jurassic World.